Hi, today I want to show you how we made a low-to-the-table DIY camera holder. So let's see how you can make one. Shooting products and food professionally, it happens to us quite often that we need to shoot very low to the table. We have a large number of tabletop tripods and holders of different types. Some of them we have reviewed here in the past and they're fine for some situations. However, when we need to go really low in the center of a large table, there is just no good solution other than hand holding the camera, and this isn't the best option, especially when you need to shoot video and use your hands. You can always use some paper under the lens to set your camera in the correct angle, and we have done so many times in the past, but we always wanted a more permanent solution, so we came up with one. Using a thin piece of wood with our favorite RC2 quick release base, we created a flat table camera holder. Making one is simple and can cost under $10. The way we made this holder is real easy. We use a 16cm or 5-inch long 1cm thick piece of wood. We drilled a 5/16 hole and used a 3/8 tab to thread the wood, and with the help of a 3/8/16 screw with an Allen drive head 5/8 in length, we fixed the quick release to the wood. We also added an L bracket to the front to prevent the quick release from spinning. Now we can place our camera, even with a rather long Sony 90mm f2.8 macro lens, and have it just 2 cm or under 1 inch from the table, facing straight forward. You can of course play with the design as you wish. If you want to make it less of a DIY solution, just get a properly sized cheese plate and connect the quick release base to it. If you want to go lower, you can use a thin piece of metal and glue the quick release base directly to it. The only thing that we are still missing with this design, and we're still trying to figure out, is a simple way to tilt the camera up and down precisely. If you have any ideas, let us know in the comments below. Enjoy! So that was a look at how you can build a low-to-the-table DIY camera holder and a less DIY version. You can read the full article on LensVid.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more videos just like this. See you next time.